Hello friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use comma operator within format specifiers in a scanf statement. So let's see how it is used. So let's write a program. As include stdio.h void main opening curly bracket. Suppose I have declared a variable int a. Next, I'm writing printf int a and b. Okay, int a and b, and another is suppose c semicolon. Within printf statement, I'm writing enter two values. Enter two values. Double quotation and parenthesis and semicolon. Next, look at this. In this scanf statement, I'm using %d, comma, %d, double quotation and, comma, %a, comma, %b, semicolon. Next line, C equal to, for example, A minus B, semicolon. Now, in the printf statement, I can present like C is equal to %d, double quotation and, comma, C, semicolon. So this is the program, and my point is to explain how this comma operator is used between these two format specifiers. Okay, the comma operator is used between two format specifiers. How? So if I'm not using the comma operator, I have to press the enter button to enter two values. For example, in the output screen, it will ask me, in the output screen, it will ask me enter two values. Enter two values. When it will ask me to enter two values, enter two values. So here, my cursor will be blinking. If I'm entering a value, suppose 20, then after entering, pressing the enter button, I'm going to here. Then I'm pressing enter button and I'm getting the result 10. Okay. But if I want to see the display like this. Suppose I want to see the display like this. The output will like this, enter two values. Enter two values. And here I'm entering 20, comma, I'm entering 10. Then I'm putting the enter button. Then I will get the result C equal to 10. Okay. So this comma can be used in the console window by putting the comma operator. So let's see how it is executed in the dev C++ editor. And remember one thing, if I'm using comma operator, but I'm not using in the output screen, if I'm not using comma operator, then my output will be wrong. So let's see how it is presented. This is my dev C++ editor. I'm opening it. Now in the file option, I'm going to new, and in the new, I'm selecting source file as include. I'm writing the program as include stdio.h. Again, void main. Next, opening curly bracket, closing curly bracket. Here I'm declaring A, comma B, comma C, then semicolon. Again, I'm writing printf statement. Within printf statement, I'm asking to enter two values, colon, then semicolon. Now, in the scanf statement, I'm using double quotation, %t, comma, %t, comma, %a, comma, %b, semicolon. Now I want to display like this. Suppose C is equal to a minus b, semicolon. Okay. In the printf statement, let's see. Subtraction, I'm writing subtraction is equal to %d, comma, C. Then after, I'm putting semicolon. So my program is ready. Let's compile it. So before compiling it, I will have to save the program. Suppose I'm saving the name of subtraction, sub, and the save as type will be C source file, that is .c extension. Now the compilation is complete. The errors and warnings are 0. That means my program is correct. So let's run the program and see how it is displaying. Just look at this. I am entering 20 and I am giving a comma. Then I am entering 10. Subtraction is 10. Okay. So in this way, in the output screen, we can use comma operator. So now let's change another. Let's take another example. Again, suppose I'm entering 10, 20 here. Subtraction is 20. That means it is not giving me a chance to enter the second variable. Okay. So that means whenever we are using comma operator, we have to use in the console window. If we are not using it, then the value will be something different. Okay. So in this way, let's take another example. 100, comma, 50. The output will be subtraction will be 50. Okay. So thank you for watching my video. If you like this, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.